Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome medicine cabinet. I'm going to show you this thing in action. So this medicine cabinet, there's several things I like. I love that I can make the shelves as tall or as short as I want. They're very secure in there, and I appreciate that I can have tall items or short items in there. Another cool feature is the mirror. You can see it. It's on the inside, it's on the side door, and then of course on the outside. So I really like that. I haven't had any issues with it looking dirty because of touching it or anything like that. So it is great. And it stores so much stuff. You can see all the items I have in this cabinet. And basically, I could still fit more in there if I wanted. So I really like that. And of course, a must for me is the mirror on the outside so I can see the back of my head if I need to, which I typically do when I am straightening my hair. But just a really good all-around product, and I love it. So I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.